Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to find a solution about permissions on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tiles 3. After that, you can click on first tab and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can cause you errors on your app, and you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.